Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm at my desk, and behind me are photos of my children. I have a son and a daughter. I can say I have 2 kids. I cannot say I have 2 childs. I must say 2 children. Why? Because children is an irregular plural noun. In this lesson, let's practice irregular plural nouns so that you can speak English clearly and naturally. I have a son. My neighbor has 2 sons. Sons is a regular plural noun. We add s to the singular noun. I have a daughter. My friend has 2 daughters. Daughters is also a regular plural noun. We add s to the singular noun. In English, we usually add s or es to form a plural noun. Plural means more than one. 1 kid, 2 kids. 1 game, 2 games. 1 bus, 2 buses. With some nouns, you need to remember spelling rules when you add s or es. What is the plural form of baby? Babies. When a noun ends with consonant plus y, we change the y to I and then add es to form the plural noun. What is the plural form of wife? Wives. When a noun ends in f or fe, we usually change that to a v and then add es. V-E-S. What is the plural form of potato? Potatoes. Usually, but not always, we add es after o. But do we write photos os or photos oes? We use os with no e. But some nouns have special forms, like children. Do you know these irregular plural nouns? Can you guess? Find the match. 1 man, 2 men. 1 woman, 2 women. 1 person, 2 people. Good. Listen carefully to the pronunciation. Man, men. Woman, women. Person, people. How about these irregular plural nouns? Can you guess? If the plural of tooth is teeth, what is the plural of foot? Feet. Some names of animals are irregular plural nouns. Can you match the singular noun to the plural noun? Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Moose, moose. Help me finish the sentences. Choose the correct irregular plural nouns. 1. There are many people at the park today. They are walking or sitting. Children are playing. There is a pond with orange fish. Let's read that again a little faster. There are many people at the park today. They are walking or sitting. Children are playing. There is a pond with orange fish. 2. There are mice in the house. They are running. I hear their little feet on the floor. Let's read that again a little faster. There are mice in the house. They are running. I hear their little feet on the floor. 3. The women are wearing pretty dresses. They are smiling. I see their white teeth. Let's read that again a little faster. The women are wearing pretty dresses. They are smiling. I see their white teeth. For practice, choose one irregular plural noun and write a sentence in the comments. For example, I see 2 mice. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy studies.